Abahingi aba nibagira ngo omushana ogujwire kuresire ebijuma bya kokowa byaba bikye omu sayizi kandi ekiretire n'ebbeeyi yashuma munonga okurigirira aha mahanga agokugura kokowa.
Too much sign. It has been signing very heavily during previous months. That one has led our cocoa to have seeds that are supposed to be produced. Now we are getting these fake seeds which are not producing good seeds which are needed in the world market compared to other countries that are producing good seeds. So they compare our seeds plus their seeds, so they find that our seeds are not good.
Abahingi aba nibagira bonka abahingi bine kizibu cy'amani cy'abashuma ba kokowa abakwije umukiro batyo bakiba kokowa bakeza kuhika omu misiri yabo bakashanga hati nekirumu.
At night thieves comes and they pick everything they take. So at the end of it, the owner comes and pick the remaining one.
Alfred Aringanyera owa Esco Company Limited company emwe ahazuru kugura kokowa omuri bundibugyo nagira ngo ekiretire ebbeeyi yashuma ntabwo kugira ngo ebijuma bire bikye kandi omushana gusisire ebijuma ebi. Edmond Bishaka production officer wa bundibugyo nagira ngo omushana hamwe n'obukoko ebitire bundibugyo nibyo beresire ebbeeyi ya kokowa yashuma.
There could be possibilities that there has been oversupply in the world market, yeah, from the bigger producers in Ivory Coast and Ghana. But it could also be driven by quality. Yeah, the dry spell has also affected matters of quality as well, and the insect attack. So usually those two factors.
Obwa hati kilo ya kokowa eyemerire ha 15 kandi season ehwire ekabirya ha mutwaro ekibaro kugira ngo omushana nigwe guresire byona. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.